In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide. Here's how to export several pages as PDF in Figma. If you've ever needed to share a clean, multi-page document of your designs, like a client-ready deck or a developer handoff, this quick workflow will help you create a single PDF from multiple frames. In Figma, what becomes a page in the PDF is actually each frame you select, so keep that in mind as we go. First, open your Figma project. Make sure you're on the correct file and the page within that file that contains the frames you want to export. It helps to glance at the Layers panel and confirm your frames are properly set up. Each artboard should be a frame, not just a group, so the export recognizes them correctly. Now, look toward the bottom area of your Figma interface and click the action icon to open the menu. This is your quick gateway to useful tools inside the editor. From there, choose Plugins and Widgets. This section lets you access community-built tools that extend Figma's capabilities, which is exactly what we need for exporting multiple frames at once. In the search field, type Export PDF. You'll see a list of options related to PDF exporting. We're going to use a tool designed specifically for batching frames into a single document. Click on Multi-Frame PDF Exporter. This plugin is built to collect multiple frames and bundle them into one PDF, which saves you from exporting each frame individually. It's straightforward and reliable for presentations, mockups, and flows. With the plugin open, select the frames you want on the left side in the Layers panel. You can select as many as you need, and you can use Shift-click or Command-Control-click to pick non-adjacent frames. The order typically follows how frames appear in your layer list from top to bottom, so a quick check of that sequence helps your PDF read naturally from first page to last. Once you've selected everything, click Export PDF. The plugin will gather your frames, fit each one onto its own page, and generate a single file. When prompted, save it to your preferred location. A couple of quick tips to make your export look great. Give your frames clear names so the order is easy to verify. Ensure any hidden layers you don't want included are turned off. And double check that text and images look crisp at the frame size you're using. Each frame becomes a page, so consistent dimensions across frames will yield a cleaner PDF. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you.